Kyle Bradshaw from RealHog.com. I got my buddy Dale Cathcart here and his 2007 Road King. What we're going to do today is we're going to take this Road King and take some of the black pieces on it and chrome those out with 5 pieces of Kuryakyn. We've got deluxe neck covers, we've got the Tappet block cover, we've got the primary cover, and we've got the transmission shroud cover. Basically what this is going to do is it's going to come over here to the neck, it's going to cover this black section here all the way down. Wow. So we have no discrimination between the chrome on the crash guard and the chrome on the headers. It's all going to be chromed out. It's then going to travel down, and all the Tappet block cover is going to come over here. It's going to cover up all of the black crinkle coat on this motor so that you're going to have just a completely chromed out piece.
That's going to be great.
And over here on the left hand side we're going to do the same thing. All of this crinkle coat covered up with chrome so that from the side here all the way up over the top we're going to be chromed out all the way up the frame and the neck. KY8389 Tappet block accent for twin cam.
On this side we're going to remove these 4 bolts from each of the valve tappets, and we're going to reinstall with chrome pieces that go around them, and then install this right in the middle, and it's going to give it a whole new look.
Awesome, let's get started. Cool. And so let's get you starting to take out those bolts, and then warning! Ignoring the contents of Shroud can result in potential death or injury.
Yay!
You will be working around a hot exhaust system. Well, kind of.
No, we've taken these 2 pieces apart, and then we're going to set this one in the back. Install our 2 bolts. One goes here. Of course, the second goes over here in this other back corner. We'll tighten those down and then set our piece. Of course, cleaning off all of this.
Perfect.
And we'll set this right on top. All right, and we tighten this one up and take that out. Grab our alcohol pad, rub it on our spots here, clean them up real good. Then we'll give them a chance to dry. Now that we have this area prepped, everything's been alcoholed and cleaned thoroughly, we're going to peel these pieces off the adhesive. Yep, that's sticky stuff. Pull all of this off.
And not only does that adhesive stick to the cylinder covers, it also acts as a little bit of foam cushioning, right?
That's
prevent
right.
Vibration or...
That's right. Helps it stay better. And as it goes in, match it up right there. And we'll take and set that baby right. There she goes. There it is.
Perfect.
That's tightening up nicely. 1, 2. And it is in.
Perfect.
Down and solid.
Done.
And looks great. And our last step is the little chrome cover. Push it down over the top. And of course you set your little chrome cap right over the top of it. And there it is.